Today we're going to read the book Dinosaur Colors. Dinosaur Colors. We can see the red dinosaur. We can see the blue dinosaur. We can see the yellow dinosaur. We can see the orange dinosaur. We can see the black dinosaur. We can see the white dinosaur. We can see the green dinosaur. We can see the purple dinosaur. We can see the brown dinosaur. We can see the pink dinosaur. We can see the hungry dinosaur. Let's practice our colors. Red, yellow, purple, green, brown, white. Green, purple, red, yellow, brown, white. And here are our power words. We can see the. Great job. Now grab your Ziploc bag and let's read together.